This is how you use Google Classroom second grade. Once you log into your Google account, you will then be clicking on the 9 boxes where all the Google apps exist. And then once that opens up, you will find the Google Classroom app and go on in. Once you're in there, you're going to see all your classrooms that you have been enrolled in or that you have enrolled yourself in. This is an example from a 3rd grader. You are then going to click on the classroom that you need. You'll click on Miss Windhorst's classroom. And then once in there, you want to make sure that you click on the classwork tab so we can find all the materials and assignments that Miss Windhorst will be putting in there. We're going to take a look at the reading assignment that you have for Monday. It is a question, and that's all she's ever going to put in there for you is question assignments. What she also has existing in there are links. So you'll see that this icon is different than this icon. The top icon has a question mark because that's a question assignment. The other ones are these little boxes. They are just materials and links to your math assignments. So we're going to take a look at your reading question that you will get daily or a couple of times a week, depending on how this works. Once you click on it, it's going to look like this. This is going to be a preview of the question she is asking you. How you actually get to view fully and answer the question is by clicking on this View Question button. Once we do that, we will see we're only inside the question today. Day 1's question is, what did you find interesting about spiders? She has a link to where you can read about the spiders. She has directions onto what you are supposed to do with your answer. So after you read your assignment right there, you are then going to answer this question with 1 to 2 completed sentences in the section right here. Let's look a little bit more closely. This is how it looks. Right where it says type your answer, that's where you're going to type your answer. Once you type something in, this turn in button here is going to change colors and it's going to allow you to turn it in. Please do not click this until you're absolutely ready to turn it in. We're going to scroll it back a little bit just in case you had a question about this question and your own answer. You can actually write in this section here, the private comments. In private comments, you and Miss Windhorst could ask each other questions and answer those questions about the assignment. So scrolling it even back one step further, again, this is your assignment here. Here are your directions. Here is your link. This is where you write your answer. Here is how you turn it in. And if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate and use the private comment section to ask Miss Windhorst any questions that you have. And that is how second grade will be using Google Classroom.